1701 Lake in Glenview, I believe. Oh, I see old Westinghouse. Oh, nice. Yo. Yo. Oh, this is epic. Whoa. They got the roto dial. Oh, yo. Dude, this COP is so high up. Okay, this alarm bell is literally at eye level, and I'm like 6 feet tall. Dang! Yeah, like look at how tall this panel is. Look, ooh. Like, jeez. Anyway, down to P. Okay, this is awesome. This is neat. This is neat. Oh, it's just a garage. This lantern looks like it's seen better days. See all the way up there. Right up to 4. This is awesome. Alright, back down to 1. Whoa, wait, that does not press like, that presses in way more than typical Westinghouse AE. Like, look at that. Just for reference, look at the door open. Oh, that pushes in a lot too. Weird. This is neat. Let's get a picture of this whole COP here. That's awesome. Here's your certificate. Nice. What does it have? The T key or the U key? What is the U key? All right. That's it.